going on, guys? This your boy Too Sly, the Slap God, aka Dr. Dre Makasani. You already know what you did. I'm sure most of y'all are wondering, like, what is this guy doing on camera? Too Sly, what's going on? Well, the purpose of this video is to teach you, if you're an aspiring recording engineer, you have a studio at home, you want to learn how to export stems, you want to learn how to EQ, compress, record proper vocals, and also you want to learn how to mix your own beats. I've got a one-on-one course that you can actually have an opportunity to sit with me in studio, where I get to walk you through how I actually EQ, compress, add harmonics, add sends like reverbs and delays, automation, and all the type of things. Also in this course, I'm going to be teaching you how to operate DAWs such as like Pro Tools, Cubase, Fruity Loops, because I know most of you guys use Cubase and Fruity Loops at home. For those who want to be advanced, I can also teach you how I mix my vocals in Pro Tools. Another part of this course, this one-on-one actually, is the part where I actually also teach beat makers, producers on how to create beats. What I'll be teaching you is how to sample, drum programming, how to make your beats slap hard, because most of you producers make nice dope beats, but the problem is they don't slap hard. So I'll also be teaching you how to mix your own beats, making sure that they're compatible with the industry standard level beats. The normal package, as usual, you get like 1 week where I walk you through the steps, teach you how to sample, teach you how to program your drums, teach you how to mix your beats. And then the VIP package, I teach you all that, and then I get to mentor you for 2 weeks. As if you like what you heard, please just share this video. Don't forget to subscribe, 38 Entertainment Group on YouTube. And then you can personally follow me on all social media platforms, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, everywhere it's Too Sly Official. Yeah, so reporting live from the east side, this is Too Sly, the Slap God, aka Dr. Dre Makasani. You already know. Peace.